Christmas came in early this year with me being your Santa Claus and giving away 25 demo clips to either test your home theater system or to flaunt your home theater system. If you haven't downloaded it right now, then check the link in the pinned comment. And now to those of you who have downloaded them as well as enjoyed these clips, you would agree that these are some of the best. Now some of you are making a big mistake. Yes, you, I'm talking about you, if you are playing them using an HDMI cable from laptop. So I'm going to actually make you aware about certain other areas in the home theater space through which you can actually watch these demo clips. Well, the first one is using a media player. Now, the job of a media player is typically to connect a hard drive and to watch content. But do we have all the movies on hard drive? Probably not. Now, if you want them, I'm not going to share out here because there's a lot of issues. But yes, you can feel free to get in touch with us separately for it. Now, USB connections to these media players like Ziddo, Dune is very easy, and you can watch the clips through this. Now, this is one way of watching. The second way is to use a NVIDIA Shield TV Pro, which is right here. Now, NVIDIA Shield TV Pro, as you all know, is one of the only OTT player which comes with a USB port so that you can watch the content that we just shared with you. So this is one other way of enjoying the content as well as to enjoy OTT platforms using one device only. This next option is the FireTV Stick. Now, before I jump to the FireTV Stick, do you know there is also one variant in FireTV which is the FireTV Cube. Now, FireTV Cube has got a USB port as well to connect your hard drives, but they are not famous to carry more than 4 TB of data. So that is where you may have to restrict to a smaller hard drive or a smaller size pen drive to connect to a FireTV Cube, and that can be another way to watch the clips that I have just shared with you. Apart from that, the FireTV Stick and Apple TV, which are the media or the OTT players which do not have USB port. How would you watch with these devices as your primary source of entertainment? Well, that's where we are going to now jump on to the hack of watching clips from laptop or from hard drive onto these devices without doing any physical connection. So Apple TV users as well as FireTV Stick users, meet your new best friends, VLC Media Player or Plex server. Now these two apps are going to literally be your best buddies while watching home theater system, because these two apps will help you upload a content onto your server, which can be your laptop as a server, and then you can access them simply by going to the app in these app stores of FireTV Stick and Apple TV. So just download these apps, connect them to the same network that your laptop is connected to, and there you go. You've got all the content in the best format to enjoy on your home theater system. So now that I've given you the tools and the means to watch a movie without physically connecting your laptop through HDMI cable to your AV receiver or to your soundbar, do not come back complaining, saying कि अरे भैया ये demo clips चलाते कैसे है. So I've got that figured out, and if you have really learned something valuable today, I want you to hit the subscribe button right now, because that really brings a lot of difference to us. That's it from my end. I, Tanmay Mehta, your home theater consultant or home theater wale bhaiya, will see you again in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Keep liking and keep subscribing to our channel.